Yo!
Come on. Hello and welcome back to another video. And today we're in...
Rebel.
Today we're in Animal Company.
Why is every server giving out so much money right now?
Giveaway! 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 Giveaway!
Giveaway! Give me the red! Give me the red, guys! Please! No, you are the red watch!
Jeez Louise.
Why?
Giveaway! Giveaway! Giveaway!
Ah, my god.
No, how many giveaways are you gonna do? Giveaway!
Jeez.
Giveaway!
Oh, these are so
yellow.
extremely.
Yes, I got it!
The title of this video might be a little misleading.
Okay, we got it! Oh my god!
Giveaway! 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 Giveaway!
It's just crates, bro.
Giveaway! Giveaway! Giveaway!
Can y'all do something else? Get this all out of here!
Giveaway!
Oh my gosh, a boombox! Gibbity babbity.
Giveaway!
Mine! Mine!
Giveaway! Hey!
Oh yeah.
More crates! More crates! More crates!
We don't need any more duped crates!
I don't care! Crates!
Game.
Crates! It's fun! Crates everywhere! Crates! Crates!
My
Great.
VR is lagging.
Oh, if I hear crates one more time.
Crate, 6, 7, crate. 7 crate, 6, 7 crate.
Dear God, I hear that kid say 6-7 one more time. I'm gonna find his IP address. Oh yeah, I've been testing out my skills.
Let's open them. Who wants to give away? Oh, was there already a giveaway in it? I selling all. I selling all.
Dash. Excuse me, sir. Can you put some on
More crates. No more crates, guys. No more. Wait, yo. Who was the guy who did the giveaway? Okay, no, it's me. Me. That was me. I'm gonna do money.
Yes, finally!
Yo, come here. I can get.
Nice.
I'm giving you guys money. Guys, I'm giving you guys some money.
Best day ever.
Guys, this should give you like 300k. This should give you like 300. Look how much it gives you. Good! That's what I gave you guys.
I have 1 million now! Fine. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. My lord. My lord! Dear God. I'm scared. Okay, let me buy ammo. Oh, if you guys are wondering how I got that much money, it was from this other guy doing a giveaway, money giveaway. Oh, I'm basically kind of rich now, so, what is that? This is also going in the stash. I don't want to lose this.
I am zombie.
I want the gravity. I only want a zombie meat. Oh!
I got it.
2 rare items. AC color. I'm giving you guys. You guys. This should give you like 300k. This should give you like 300k. Yep, it did, but don't do that.
Or crap.
Oh, wait, what? Someone. Yo, don't hawk on it, but it will give you less. Or it will give you less.
Thank you for help.
Yeah, I'm giving you guys money. Like, I sell it. Wait, I have more!
Who wants my demon sword?
I got a demon sword, that's a new giveaway right
I
now.
like grapplers. I need to get myself one.
That was me, but
Guys, if you want more money like that, if you want more money like that, join the code JDU if you want money. What's the code? JDU. Look, if you
JDU.
Yeah, JDU. JDEU.
wait, can you help me make me one?
JDU. Is that it? JDU?
Okay, but stay here. Oh, Pink. Can you get more people? Yo, I'll give you supply.
Okay, JDU, hi.
Can someone get more people? I'll give them a rare item.
Not it.
I can. No. Guess you guys should win a neon boombox then. Well, okay.
I need to unlock my freaking things.
Wait, I go.
Trying to unlock
That
this
was a
right
limited edition.
What the hell?
Bro, I have a full money. I have a 10 million. I have 10 million. No, you can't have 10 million, bro. Yes, I have. Okay, why have 9? Why? I have 9 million.
Be happy.
99.
Ah, excellent. So,
Okay,
guys,
bye-bye.
if you're enjoying the video, good.
I got some. That should give you that much. Okay.
Maybe I should not have done that, but it's fine.
I sell it. Wait, sell it. Don't mind to not sell it. Sell it. Yo, can you sell this, please? Can you sell that, please?
Yeah.
You sell that, please. Wait, I'm gonna give you an item. Give me another okay. Yeah, that should give you about 100k.
Guys, I'm really enjoying this video. Alright. I have more of the stash, so. Dear Lord.
I'll sell this. Wait, no, do sell it, do sell it, do sell it. No, I need to get this out, wait. Do sell it, do sell it. Sell it, you can sell it now. If you put this in there, it'll only give you like 10k.
Oh.
So. I'm gonna do this until I get to like 8 mil.
I only have 1.2 mil, so. How much you said you was gonna get me?
I'm gonna get you like 3 mil.
I bet. Boom, boom.
Oh. Wait, did you sell the other one? Did you sell the other one?
No.
Bro.
Huh.
You should. Bro.
My game is lagging.
Yeah, because you didn't sell the other one. And now now you just spent my money, bro. I mean, it's worth it. What you get?
Exactly 300,000.
Guess how much this is. Guess how much this is.
How much?
How much is this from there? This
I'm gonna
is
say
75k. 75k for one of these, bro.
Jeez.
Yeah, so at least it's making a profit. Sell it.
Okay. I don't really need this.
Alright, let's sell it. 50.
I'm literally recording a video right now.
Yeah.
Shout out to you. Shout out to you.
Yeah, you're welcome, bro. Thank you, bro. So that. Are you doing a YouTube video?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Wait, how much subs do you have?
Like 14. Small one.
Oh, thank God. I was like, oh, Animal Company is gonna see this and patch this. I was like, no, bro. Only like stop recording and then when I tell you to, because this might get leaked to Animal Company, like Animal Company official.
Well, I usually keep my videos under like 15 minutes, so yeah.
Under 15 minutes.
All right, guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. Again, shout out to this guy. Well, I'm actually gonna send you a friend request. There. So, shout out to you. Like and subscribe if you want.
Wait, your account is invisible, by the way.
It is?
I can't see you on the leaderboard. I actually can't.
Send you a friend request.
I can't see you on the board, but I can see you on the friends list.
Okay.
Wait, it says you're online. It says you're online. Wait.
Alright guys, this is the end of this video. See you on the next one.